A national broadcaster and the leader of the opposition both received official warning letters from the Attorney General's chambers, and it all came down to one interview, one timing issue, and one unresolved court appeal. On the 19th of December, the Attorney General's chambers issued letters of warning to Workers' Party chief and leader of the opposition Pritam Singh, as well as Mediacorp, over a televised interview that was deemed potentially contemptuous of court. The interview was recorded earlier in the year, and later aired on CNA's program The Assembly. In the episode, Pritam Singh spoke about issues linked to his conviction over lying to a parliamentary committee. At the time the interview was broadcast, his appeal against that conviction had already been heard, but the court had not yet delivered its judgment. This timing was key. According to the Attorney General's chambers, publishing or commenting publicly on matters related to an ongoing case, even after hearings are completed, can still amount to contempt of court if the judgment has not been delivered. The concern is that such commentary may undermine public confidence in the judicial process or appear to influence the outcome. The program aired on the 5th of November, just one day after the appeal hearing concluded. It was made available not only on television but also online, including YouTube and MeWatch. Days later, Pritam Singh also shared the interview on his own social media platforms, further increasing its reach. After reviewing the case, the Attorney General's chambers said the content and timing of the interview crossed a line. However, instead of taking stronger action, it chose to issue warning letters. That decision came after both parties took steps to address the issue. Mediacorp removed the interview from its platforms and issued an apology, acknowledging that airing the program while the appeal judgment was pending could be seen as inappropriate. Shortly after, Pritam Singh also apologized publicly, stating that his remarks could be construed as contempt of court. The Attorney General's chambers noted these apologies and decided that warning letters were sufficient, while stressing that it takes a serious view of contempt of court and will not hesitate to act when necessary. Just weeks earlier, on the 4th of December, the court dismissed Pritam Singh's appeal and upheld his conviction, along with a $14,000 fine. This episode now raises broader questions about where the line should be drawn between public discussion, political accountability, and respect for the courts, especially when high-profile cases involve both politicians and major media organizations. Do you think public figures and broadcasters should face stricter limits when discussing cases still before the courts, or does this risk chilling open political debate? If you found this breakdown useful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for clear, factual coverage of the issues shaping Singapore today.